Assalamu alaikum. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Well, my friends, now I discuss about a homeopathic medicine, Nettamkar. Many peoples in our country are suffering for weakness, and they have gone a physician. They have go to a physician. The physician give them varieties Ayurvedic companies medicine. That is Mother Tincture, that is patent, and that is tablet. But that all formulas are not homeopathic. And this patent Mother Tincture and tablet does not us a good result. So the patient taken the medicine and they does not get a good result. This patient, when says they have not a good result, these doctors say to the patient, homeopathy is working slowly. Homeopathy is working slowly. But the doctors, the physician does not know homeopathy is a good medicine for weakness, because they have no research in homeopathy. So we should, every homeopathy physician research homeopathy and homeopathic book Kent Repertory. In Kent Repertory, 1413 page, Mr. Ken have given many weakness medicine. We should see, we should research this weakness medicine and timely given the patient. From Kent Repertory is many weakness medicine. I have taken a medicine for discuss. This medicine is Nettamkar. Nettamkar is the best medicine for weakness. When a patient suffering for weakness and caused by sunlight, heat sunlight. For heat sunlight, a patient have been suffering for weakness headache, etc. We may think Nettam curve. Other symptom of Nettam curve are milk intolerance and heat intolerance. Every heat season, every heat time, every heat day, patient suffer by weakness and headache. Then we should give the patient Nettam curve, powerful medicine. That power is 50 millisiemen medicine. We should give the patient 50 millisiemen Nettam curve when the patient have been suffering for weakness. This weakness cause for sunlight, heat sunlight. This weakness cause for heat sunlight, and every heat day, heat time or heat season return the weakness of patient. So, other homeopathic symptom of the Nettam curve is milk intolerance and thunderstorm intolerance. When the patient feels thunderstorm intolerance, milk intolerance, weakness in every hot day, hot time, hot season, and cause this weakness caused by heat sunlight. Many days working in heat sunlight after attack the weakness. Weakness attack for many days working in heat sunlight. We can give for this patient Nettam curve, এবং we should take a good result, a best result from Nettam curve. So, women thinking and research homeopathy every time, and we should give a correct medicine every patient. Thanks all. Assalamu alaikum.